peppers are low in calories and are loaded with good nutrition. All varieties are excellent sources of vitamins A and C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron and heal wounds. It may also play a role in preventing a variety of conditions, including heart disease and cancer. Lowers blood pressure. Several large studies show that people with high levels of vitamin C in their bodies based on their vitamin C concentration in their plasma are less likely to have high blood pressure, especially if they have a high-quality diet. Good digestive health. Despite only having 30 calories in every 1 cup serving, raw peppers contain 2.5 grams of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber helps promote digestive health by adding bulk to your stools. This makes them easier to pass. A diet high in fiber may also mean you're less likely to get hemorrhoids. Reduced risk of diabetes. High-fiber foods, such as bell peppers, slow down how quickly sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. Vitamin C may also help reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Caution: overuse can result in a range of complications, can produce allergic reactions, and can interact with other medications. You should check with your healthcare provider.